Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 4.2 starting from question number 1. So in this question it has been said that what is the perimeter of a parallelogram if its two adjacent sides measure 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Okay, so we have to ask the perimeter of a parallelogram, okay, whose adjacent side are given, which is 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So this is a parallelogram A, B, C, D. Okay, and here AB and BC are adjacent side. So we have given this is 8 centimeter. So and BC is 6 centimeter. Okay, and as you know the property of a parallelogram, opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal and opposite. So side CD would also be equal to 8 centimeter and BC would also be equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. Now perimeter means the sum of all the boundaries. Okay, sum of all boundaries. So this means the perimeter of quadrilateral means perimeter of parallelogram. Perimeter of parallelogram equal to the sum of all the boundary means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, and also we can use the formula 2 length plus breadth. Okay, so this is 2 into length is 8 centimeter plus breadth is 6 centimeter. This is 2 here, 8 plus 6 is equal to 14 centimeter, and now multiply 2 by 14, so we will get 28 centimeter square. Okay, so the perimeter of the given parallelogram if its adjacent side are 8 and 6 centimeter, which is equal to 28 centimeter square. Okay. Now move to the question number 2. In this question, it has been said that the perimeter of a parallelogram is 24 centimeter. Its adjacent sides are in the ratio 1:2. Then we have to ask find the dimension of the parallelogram. Okay. So we have the perimeter of a parallelogram is equal to 24 centimeter and the ratio of side of its adjacent, which is given 1:2. Okay, so this is a parallelogram A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Okay. The ratio of adjacent side is given 1:2. Okay. So this means suppose if this and this sides is given. So as we know, this is a length and this is a breadth. So length given ratio of adjacent side is AB and BC is equal to 1:2. So this implies AB equal to X and BC equal to 2x. Okay, AB equal to X and BC equal to 2x. This is the length of side AB and BC. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and CD is also equal to X and BC is also equal to means AD equal to also 2x. Okay, and we also suppose this is a length and this is a breadth. Okay, so we have to given perimeter of parallelogram is equal to 24 centimeter. This means this is 2LB plus BH equal to 24 centimeter, and this is a L plus B equal to 24 divided by 2 equal to 12 centimeter. Here L is X, B is 2x. So X plus 2x equal to 12 centimeter. X plus 2x is 3x. 3x equal to 12 centimeter. This implies X equal to 4 centimeter. Now substituting the value of X over here, so we will get the adjacent side. So therefore AB equal to X equal to 4 centimeter and BC equal to 2 into 4 centimeter equal to 8x 8 centimeter. Hence the adjacent sides are 4 centimeter into 8 centimeter. Okay, this is the required answer of question number 2. Further move to the question number 3. In this question, we have two given ABCD is a parallelogram where AB is longer than BC by 8 centimeter. If the perimeter is 40 centimeter, then we have to ask what is the length of each side. Okay, so a parallelogram ABCD is given. This is a parallelogram ABCD where side AB is longer than BC by 8 centimeter. So let the measure of side BC is X centimeter. So AB is, we have to say AB is longer than BC by 8 centimeter. So side BC becomes x plus 8 centimeter. Here CD is also x plus 8 centimeter and AD is also x centimeter. So we have to ask what is the length of each sides. Okay, so perimeter is given, perimeter equal to 40 centimeter, and we know all the boundary of parallelogram is a perimeter. So this means the sum of boundary is sum of side AB plus BC plus CD plus DA equal to 40 centimeter. Here AB is x plus 8, BC is x plus CD is x plus 8, DA is x is equal to 40 centimeter, and this is a x plus x plus x, 4x equal to 40 centimeter. This implies This implies 4x equal to 40 minus 16. 40 minus 16 is 424, and this is a x equal to 6 centimeter. X equal to 6. Okay. The value of x is 6 centimeters. So therefore, the side of each parallelogram is AB equal to CD equal to x plus 8. Here x we have to find 6 plus 8 centimeter equal to 40 centimeter, and BC equal to AD equal to x equal to x is 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is the length of each sides of a parallelogram ABCD. Here ABCD equal to 40 centimeter, BC AD equal to 6 centimeter. Okay.